Hi there, welcome to High School Maths. Today we're going to be looking at some decimal addition and subtraction, or adding and subtracting. And really the most important rule you've got to remember here is when you're doing your working, you've got to keep the decimal point in a line because that helps line up the place values. So your tens, your hundreds, your tenths, your hundredths, and so on. Okay, so we've got 4 examples here we're going to look at. We're just going to start and work through them. The rules are pretty much the same as we looked at for whole number adding and subtracting, so there's not much change here. So if we look at question 1, 23.47, we're going to add on 13.81, and again that decimal point for the 13.81 needs to line up, so we're going to pop that there and line everything up in the same columns, and in the answer the decimal point needs to be in the same place as well. So you've got a perfect line of decimal points down the middle there. We start from the right hand side, which is our hundredth column, and we're adding, so it's 7 add 1 is 8, moving across, 4 add 8 is 12, carry the 1, 3 add 3 is 6, add on our extra 1 there, that's 7, and 2 add 1 is 3. Okay, so not much difference to what you've done after you've set out the working, but keep that decimal point in line. So let's have a look at another one for adding. We've got 125.9, and this time we're adding on 2.45. Again, decimal point in the line, that means the 2 goes here, and the 0.45 goes here. We're adding here. Okay, so again, lined up, everything nice and neat. You can add a trailing 0 here if you want, just to keep the number of decimal places the same, but you don't have to. 0 add 5, oops, sorry, decimal point in the line for our answer as well, don't forget that. 0 add 5 is 5, 9 add 4, 13, carry the 1 over, 5 add 2 is 7, add on 1 is 8, 2 add our blank space is 2, and 1 add the blank space, or 1 add 0, is 1. So 128.35. We're going to move on to subtracting now. Same idea as we did with whole number subtracting. So 32.7, take away, and we've got to line up this decimal point, so it's going to be 21.35. Spacing that out nice and neat there, so I've got plenty of space for my working. At the top, we are going to need to add this second decimal place here for the 70, and if we start at the end, the right hand column, put a decimal point in the answer, all in the line. 0 take away 5, top take away bottom. That doesn't work here, so we're going to have to go across and borrow, make that 6, and bring the 1 across. Now we've got 10 take away 5, that's 5. Moving across, 6 take away 3, that's 3. Moving across again, 2 take away 1 is 1. And the final one, 3 take away 2 is 1, to give us 11.35. And our last question, our last subtraction question here is 105.7, take away a decimal point in the line. So the 9 is going to go here to make everything line up, 91.8. Decimal point in the line in our answer. Again, starting at the right hand side, 7 take away 8, well that's not going to work here. So we're going to move across, borrow from the 5, that becomes 4, bring the 1 across, 17 take away 8 would be 9, move across, 4 take away 1, that would be 3, moving across, 0 take away 9, well we can't do that, score this out, bring it across, 10 take away 9 is 1, and in the last column we're left with 0 take away 0, which is 0. So our final answer there is 13.9. So that's how we add and subtract decimals. Hopefully you found that a useful little video. For other maths videos and resources, visit highschoolmaths.co.uk. If you did like the video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Please share this video too. Thanks for watching and have a mathemagical day.